darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf. It's all covered in dust, holding up some old book supposed to teach about heaven and hell. And the darkness, I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, love we never found. I said I love you, honey, now keep doing what comes natural, the heat of the night. If we're lucky, country music, everything alright. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close, moving over to me through the memories that only in the shadows on the ceiling low. The whiskey and the lies we keep telling, I hear a melody start to take hold. As the night wears on, I can feel her starting to get close. I hear country music playing in the background. Some old sweet melody about the life we lead, the love that we never found. I said I love you, said honey night, yeah. Just keep doing what comes natural, the heat of the night. If we're lucky, the country music, yeah, everything alright. There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes. She rolled over, said, "You want some coffee?" I said, "Yeah, babe, I take a little sugar in mine." She got up, put on a morning dress, but she forgot to put back on her disguise. There was nothing much left as the sun started opening its eyes, except that country music. said she wants some coffee. I said, yeah, babe, I'll take a little sugar in mine. She got up, put on a morning dress. She forgot to put back on her disguise.